In this lecture, we will learn about sweep command. First, draw a polygon. Now, we will draw some arc. For that, change UCS to right. Select 3-point arc and draw an arc from center of the polygon. Now, we have this sketch. Go to sweep command. Sweep command is used to create a 3D solid by sweeping a 2D sketch profile along an specified path. Select sweep. First, select the object you want to sweep. Right click, enter. Now, select the path through which you want to sweep. Select this arc, change visual style to realistic, turn off grids. Now, you can see that the sketch has been swept along the path. Turn on grids, undo the model. Again, go to sweep, select object to sweep, right click, enter. Now, we will select scale. Right click and select scale. Give a scale factor of 8, press enter. Now, select path, change to realistic. Now, you can see that our 3D model has been scaled to 8 times. Undo the model, go to sweep, select object, right click, enter. Select twist option, give twist angle of 720 degree, press enter. Now, select path, change to realistic. So, this is the sweep command in AutoCAD.